In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable macros in Excel 365. Macros are small programs that can automate repetitive tasks, making your work in Excel more efficient and time-saving. However, because they can contain harmful code, Excel disables them by default for security reasons. But don't worry, enabling macros in a document you trust is simple. Let me guide you through the process. Imagine you're opening a workbook in Excel 365 that has macros embedded in it. You'll likely encounter a security warning banner at the top of your screen. This is Excel's way of telling you that the file contains macros and it's taking precautions to protect you. To proceed, you'll need to click on the Enable Content button. This action indicates to Excel that you trust this specific file and are allowing the macros to run. Now, there might be situations where Excel prompts you further, asking you to confirm your decision. You'll see a dialog box asking, "Do you really want to enable macros for this document?" or something similar. At this point, if you're confident that the document is from a trusted source, maybe a colleague or a reliable database, you can go ahead and click Yes. This step is crucial because enabling macros in documents from unreliable sources can compromise your system's security. By clicking Yes, you not only authorize the use of macros for this session, but also establish trust with this file, which means Excel won't ask you again in the future when you open this document. It essentially streamlines your workflow, allowing you to access all the functionality of the macros immediately every time you open this specific workbook. However, it's important to stay vigilant. Always ensure that the documents you are enabling macros for are from trustworthy sources. If ever in doubt, seek confirmation from the sender or further information about the file before enabling macros. I hope this guide makes the process straightforward for you. Remember, while macros are incredibly powerful and can save you time, always prioritize your security by enabling them only in files you trust. If you follow these steps, you'll be adept at managing macros in no time. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions you might have. Have a productive day with Excel.